Hey, welcome back. So, a few days ago Valve released a new battle pass for Dota 2. In concept, it's just like a CSGO operation, but it's for Dota 2. I know that most of you guys who watch my channel don't really care about Dota 2 at all, but you do care about making profit on Steam, so that is exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Is it actually possible to profit with this Dota 2 battle pass? I'm also going to cover what this pass brings to the average player who just enjoys playing the game and doesn't really care about making profit. I went ahead and purchased the pass for 6.45 euros or $7.5 I think. Immediately I did some missions, got some rewards and checked out my inventory. And to my surprise, the items that I got are not tradable or marketable until September 1, 2022. Meaning I have to wait more than 1 year to sell these things on the market. It's really dumb. So yeah, the answer is no, you should not buy the pass if you want to make profit with it, because it's just not wise. You don't want to wait that long. Even if these items are going to be expensive and make your money back, it's not worth waiting 1 year for that. Plus, keep in mind that you have to do missions, so you actually have to understand what you're doing, you have to learn the game, and that's extra time you need to spend, it's just not worth it all around. But if you're considering buying the pass to actually enjoy the game more, then I think it is not that bad of an idea. It does offer a lot of missions, rewards and stuff like that. It's just all around a better experience when you have rewards waiting for you every few games. You have the opportunity to get a ton of new skins which are exclusive to pass owners, so you can't buy them off the market. You will be able to buy them, I guess, in 1 year, but for now this is the only way to get them. Also, they introduced a new game mode, which to be honest kind of sucks. Normal Dota is way more fun and I played one game of it, I didn't like it and I'm not gonna play it again. Also, the pass offers you some missions that you can do without having to take breaks. Like, the main battle pass, you can only get so many levels each week, but here you can play as many times as you want and you just have to win with these heroes, and at the end you get some rewards. If you're really good at the game, you can get those rewards in 1 day, but if you suck like me, you might have to play a few weeks to get them. There's actually some controversy surrounding this battle pass, because every single year when there was a battle pass in Dota 2, the money from that battle pass went towards the tournament. Though this time it's going directly into Gaben's pocket, so that made a lot of players mad, and a big chunk of the community is trying to protest by not buying the game just because the money is not going towards the tournament. Yeah, I do believe this is a sucky move from Valve. They already make plenty of money, plus they decided to make 2 battle passes this year instead of the regular one. In conclusion, should you buy the new Dota 2 battle pass? Well, if you want to make profit, no, you should not. But if you want to just improve the quality of your playtime, then yeah, why not? That was pretty much all I had to say. Thank you for watching, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll see you next time, bye bye.